All right, you may have obviously heard about the massive flooding off to our north and west, and some folks watching are experiencing it right now. The next up here is going to be the Potomac River Point of Rocks. This could be comparable to some flooding that we saw back in 1910. So this is like once in a lifetime flooding here. Almost major flooding. The major flood stage is 27 feet, far from a record, but very close to the major flood stage threshold as we crest at 23.6 feet Thursday this morning at 8 a.m. Then downriver, Edwards Ferry, that water continues to move again downriver. So by 2 p.m. on our Thursday afternoon, the forecast crest here is 21.4 feet. Currently, we are at least minor flood, and looks like probably making it to Little Falls by 8 p.m. That's going to be this evening. Forecast is at 12.2 feet, so that's a minor to moderate flood. A minor to moderate flood, rather, here Georgetown at Wisconsin Avenue here in the district. That forecast crest is 8.2 feet, and that will be midnight tonight into early Friday morning. And to exacerbate issues on top of this, there's the tidal impacts that'll be involved as well on the lower river, including here in the district. So why all this monstrous flooding? Well, when you get 5-6 inches of rain in an afternoon, and it comes down some of these very, very steep mountains, you can see it's almost kind of a crevice here that the rain is all going into. It has nowhere to go except those Potomac River tributaries, as well as the north branch of the Potomac. And then you see Westernport in there, where we had some of that devastating flooding, is right in there, right next to the rivers in those crevices. So all that water is coming downstream. So that's what we are tracking here as we head through the next 24 to 36 hours, on top of the potential of the system not moving very much, of more storms that could erupt this afternoon. We're also, of course, tracking a warming trend we've been talking about, and more flooding potential. That's going to be with any storms that redevelop. Flood warnings continue for Fauquier and also Prince William County until 7 a.m. A couple of spot showers this morning up around Tuscarora, where we do not need them. There's more rain potential today as the system still kind of sitting and spinning in place. Again, for the upper Potomac, there is a flood warning that's in effect until further notice, and a coastal flood warning that's in effect here in the district. On top of that, there could be the potential level 1 of 5 risk of severe weather today, as well as tomorrow, and then a 2 of 5 risk of severe weather that arrives into Saturday from the district south and east, and that's as a cold front begins to make the push on through.